Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Whitespark for citation building in USA step by step clearly. To activate Whitespark for citation building in the USA, start by visiting the Whitespark website. Once on the website, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required fields in the registration form, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to review the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you have filled out the form, click the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification link from Whitespark. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verification, return to the Whitespark homepage and click on Login. Enter your email address and password to access your dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Citation Building option in the main menu. Click on Citation Building to access the citation services offered. Select Get Started to begin the citation building process. You'll be prompted to enter your business details, including name, address, phone number, and website. Fill out all necessary fields with accurate information. Choose the locations for your citations, focusing on areas relevant to your business. Once completed, click Next to proceed. Review your information to ensure everything is correct. After confirming your details, click on Submit Order. Whitespark will then process your request and start building citations for your business. Monitor the progress through your dashboard for updates on your citation status. Utilize additional tools offered by Whitespark for citation audits and tracking. Once citations are published, you can access reports through your account. Stay engaged with the platform for ongoing citation management and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.